Apollo versus Instantly AI, which software is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which software is better among Apollo and Instantly AI. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Apollo. Apollo provides a vast database with millions of verified contacts, making it perfect for lead generation. It offers built-in CRM capabilities to manage contacts and outreach efforts all in one place. Users can narrow down prospects based on specific criteria, increasing the chances of finding the right leads. The platform includes email tracking features, enabling users to monitor open and response rates effectively. Its intuitive design makes it easy for users to navigate and utilize all the features without much hassle. New users may find the complex features challenging to navigate initially. The free version has restrictions that may not meet the needs of larger teams or businesses. It includes additional transaction fees alongside payment processing fees, potentially reducing profit margins. Now, let's come towards Instantly Die. Instantly AI specializes in automating outreach and follow up sequences, streamlining the lead generation process. The platform provides features for sending personalized emails at scale, enhancing engagement with prospects. Users can track email performance metrics, helping them optimize their outreach strategies. Includes AI driven insights, assisting users in improving their email campaigns based on data analysis. The user interface is designed for simplicity, making it accessible for users with varying levels of technical expertise. May have limitations on the types of integrations available compared to other platforms. The free trial is limited in scope, which may not provide a comprehensive view of the platform's capabilities. Some users may find the automation features insufficient for more complex outreach strategies. Choosing between Apollo and Instantly AI depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize a comprehensive CRM with advanced searching capabilities, Apollo might be the better choice for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for streamlined outreach automation and personalized email campaigns, Instantly AI could be your go to solution. That's all for the video.